excellent speech. Now I will request Professor Indrajit Singh Sodhi to deliver the thank you speech to all the participants of this session. Professor Sodhi.
Okay. Thanks, Dr. Soram. I'm thankful to Professor Manoj Dixit and Dr. Soram, as well as Rector of Alfred Nobel University and Dr. Oksana. They all four together conceived the idea and planning of this international conference 2021 Komagi. And with both the partners, other organizers also came together, like Dr. Abba Foundation, India, Migration Institute of Finland, Turku, Finland, Transnational Press London, Britain, Ternopil National Pedagogical University, Ukraine, Mustafa Kemal University, Turkey, University Institute of Lisbon, Portugal, and Dimitri Santamir Christian University, Bucharest, Romania, Mersin University, Turkey, Faculty of Business and Law of the MB University, Serbia, Belgrade, and National Institute for Economic Research, Republic of Moldova. These all 10 universities institute together organize this first international conference, Komagi, migration and gender issue. I am thankful for all the organizers, the professors, the academicians, the researcher, students who directly or indirectly help in this international conference in a proper and respectful manner, proper organization. I am thankful to Professor Manoj Dixit and Professor Prabha Datta, as well as my director, Sir Professor Shivnath Dev. They all always encouraging to work for academic enrichment and to do systematic and confined research. I always are guided by Professor Manoj Dixit and Professor Prabha Datta. They are like mentor for me. And I believe that this first international conference will be organized next time in offline mode in Alfred Nobel University. And whenever we see the infrastructure of Alfred Nobel University, that is awesome. Excellent infrastructure Alfred Nobel University have. So I believe that whenever this conference will be organized next year in Alfred Nobel University and Dnipro city, Ukraine, it will be very well organized. Hospital would be good. And I believe that there will be more paper will be there, more academician will come and present their research study, like Professor Ali. She very well in a precise and confined time has expressed her views regarding migration and how it had affected particular the gender, and by authentic report of United Nations. So I'm very much thankful to Professor Ali. We have to learn a lot from Professor Ali. We believe next time we will have some more collaboration with Finland University, where Professor Ali is working, and she will guide us how to work properly to conduct research study on this migration and other issues directly or indirectly related with migration. And lastly, I am very much thankful to all the participants who has attended this conference and giving their valuable time to encourage us so that we can work more. And the more two torch bearers for this international conference are Dr. Oksana and Dr. Saurabh. Both and that means needs a lot of applause and accolades from my heart, as well as by all the participants who deliberately and consistently working for this successful conference, International 2021 Komagi. Thanks to all the organizers and participants.
Thank you, sir. I would also like to thank Professor Christine from the North Illinois University, USA, for her informational and support in preparation of the materials for the 2021 Komagi. So we will be continuing our next session in 15 minutes. So those who want to join the session or who want to continue or join the plenary session, please stay tuned with us. Please do not leave this meeting. So we will be continuing with this link, with this Zoom link and Zoom conference.